Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles on a HP Envy 5530. Now you're going to want to be on the home page of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already there, there'll be a house icon there. You can just click to go to it. But press the spanner on the touchscreen and then we go into Tools. And Clean Printhead is the bottom option there. So we press to go in. Now this will take the printer just a minute. You hear a few funny noises from the machine. And what your printer's doing is pushing fresh ink into the printhead, dislodging any dried ink that can be found along the print cartridges printer heads. And it'll help get rid of any lines or anything that's present there. In addition to that, you'll also end up with a page that looks like this, showing both your printer's ability to print text, just looking pretty distinct, and it'll have a breakdown of the colours at the bottom. Now this might be a little bit hard to read if you're unfamiliar with the printer, because your particular machine only has 4 colours of ink. It has black, shown in the text, cyan, magenta and yellow. So you'll be looking for lines or gaps in the text, and these 3 boxes specifically if you're diagnosing a print quality problem. These ones here will be created with a mix of these inks to the left and can be largely ignored. If you're trying to work out what a problem is looking at these, when it's using a combination of at least 2 colours, it's going to be hard to see. So I'd recommend ignoring those. Concentrating on those when diagnosing your print quality issue. Thankfully, your machine brings you back to this page and gives you the option to clean again. So if that page isn't looking good, just keep running through it till you've got something you're happy with and then carry on printing. Mine's looking alright, so I'm going to click done. But hopefully you found what you're looking for here. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.